tutorial on how to do a percussive cupping massage. This is something that can be useful anytime that you're fighting with a chest cold or even fighting pneumonia. Some recommendations that I can make for instances of chest congestion or mucus buildup in the lungs is stay hydrated. Number one, warming drinks. Herbal teas are great for that. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Also, number two, honey. Honey is a very well-known natural expectorant. So if you are making yourself an herbal tea, why not add a spoon of honey to that and help your body get rid of that mucus? And number three, essential oils. I love essential oils. So this one is by Guru Nanda, and it's called Breathe Easy, and it has oils such as eucalyptus and rosemary. It helps to break up that phlegm that has built up in your chest. You can put this essential oil, just a couple of drops, on a tissue and put it on the ground below the massage client so that as they are getting the cupping massage, they are breathing in some essential oils that are further assisting the breakup of mucus. I'll leave a link for this in the description. I recommend, as an alternative to this blend, a one by Plant Therapy, for a blend that is a perfect alternative for this if you have children that are under the age of 6. Another option for diffusing the essential oil while performing this massage is a diffuser. This one is from Amazon, and this is the one that I use in my house consistently, and I love it. It also has color therapy, which provides a really nice healing or calming effect, such as the colors that they have in hospitals, which actually they do use color therapy in the hospitals.
Let's start by adding a few drops of our essential oil blend to a folded tissue. We will place this tissue on the floor underneath the person so that they can inhale the aroma as they're receiving this cupping procedure. Put your hands into a firm cup shape. We want to strike the back in 1-2-1-2 step pattern, starting from the base of the lungs and going to the upper back. The sound that this makes when you strike the back is similar to the sound of a horse's walk. Try to maintain the shape all throughout this procedure. That is the effective part of this treatment, helping to break up the mucus that may be stuck in the lungs or in the airways. If you feel like you have this technique down, you can increase your speed, but only increase the speed as long as you're able to maintain the shape of the hands. We want to strike mostly with the base of the palm of the hand. I do this procedure until I get the desired effect, which may be a loosening up of mucus, or until I get too tired and I'm not able to continue. Be sure to allow the person to stop, grab a tissue, and cough if they feel the need to. That means the treatment is working. I forgot to have the microphone nearby when I was doing the first part of this treatment, but do not worry. I remembered a few minutes in to go grab the microphone, so you will hear the cupping sound very soon. You can change your position, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Be careful about straining your back. You can stand in a lunge position. You can change legs throughout this treatment. We don't want to compromise our form, which could lead to our pain and injury.
We hope that you enjoyed this tutorial on how to do a percussive cupping massage. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know, like, did this produce mucus for you? I will see you next time. Thank you so much for joining us.